what I mean by being active on LinkedIn, this is a very good question. There are three parts of it. One is that you must publish content. 10% people also do not publish content on LinkedIn. 90% are silent observers on LinkedIn. 10% barely put anything. Out of that, only 1 or 2% put any kind of sensible content. So, for example, I have suggested this to you, sir, before also, Arun sir, that you have so much experience of working in so many different companies on so many matters. Imagine that you take some of those stories and start posting. Okay. What would happen is that people will start reading that, liking it, engaging with it. They might have their own comments. They might have similar experiences in life. They will share that. So it builds up a community around your content. And very soon, if you keep posting 2-3 times a day, maybe don't post the stories only every time. You can post other things also. But over time, you will see a massive traction of people coming, and you'll start getting 50, 100 requests a day to add on LinkedIn, and these are the right people to add you because they read your content and they really like you and they want to add you. You know what happened once to me? I wrote a post on cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency judgment came out, and I wrote my observation as to what I expect to happen in the next 6 months. And the moment I wrote it, LinkedIn picked it up and featured it as on its editorial. They on important topics, they have this editorial posts where they also feature top posts on the subject. So they featured my post on that. And you know what happened after that? Instantly, I got flooded with requests from cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Okay, that includes engineering students, then stockbrokers, and all sorts of people with whom I have no connection. Did I add them? No, I did not accept their friend request because I know if I accept their friend request today, they like this post, but I'm not going to keep posting on cryptocurrencies. You know what I'm saying? I'll not keep posting about cryptocurrencies, and tomorrow they will not engage with my post. So my my post won't get amplified. So it's to be very careful about who you add on LinkedIn. Only the people, either you have some business with them that you want to add them and you want to track them and you want to see what they're posting, or the people who would be liking your content, you have to post those things. And now what does it mean to be active, right? Being active also means that apart from posting, you also comment on others' relevant posts, not on irrelevant posts. Please do not comment anything on irrelevant posts. Again, you will get the wrong kind of traction, and it will you will end up, what do I say, derail your efforts on LinkedIn. So engage with the right kind of post. So if you are, let's say, a project finance lawyer and other people are posting on project finance anywhere in the world, it's fine. Engage with those posts. Do not engage with posts which have nothing to do with you. Okay. Now, identifying an audience. Who's an audience for you? Who's the ideal audience for you? If you're looking to get business out of LinkedIn, the number one important concept for you is to understand who's your ideal client base, because only those people you want, and then you want to create relevant content for them only.